Buenos dias! We are looking at how to pronounce this word, which is essentially Spanish for sandwich. In Spain, this is generally a sandwich made with Spanish bread, of course, but usually a type of baguette or similar type of bread and cut lengthwise while stuffed with whatever you feel like. In Spain, often jamón and queso, understand ham and cheese. How do you go about pronouncing it? In Spain, it would be pronounced Bocadillo. Bocadillo. Bocadillo is how you would say it in Spain. However, in South America you would pronounce it more like bocadillo. Bocadillo, or in Spanish, bocadillo. Here are many more videos on how to pronounce many useful words from Spain, including all of the delicious produce that we love from Spain and from Spanish cuisine. See you there. Hasta luego.